You and I both know that both unreasonable, not to mention unrealistic.
What you think is reasonable? Which one of your soldiers them you willing to sacrifice? Guys, either 50-50, sacrificial, or war.
Top ranking. Two things. I personally feel enough blood has been spilled. However, as much as I would hate it to go there, I can guarantee you, any one of my soldiers them blood spill is like you said, war.
And I'll be expecting the first game at the end of the month.
Half. Yes, sir, brother.
Half, really half.
Yeah, man. Man say half him on that.
So you tell me say any piece of food you get from Carlton, top ranking are gonna need half of that, brother.
That can't make no sense.
Yeah, man, that king man said to him, man. You see me? Man, I say even a half, brother. A bloody man. You see me?
So, what you tell me say, even if I comes, don't forget dust out of it.
So you do to it, look. And man, nephew, brother.
Who?
Chopper.
Chopper.
Yeah, man. No, we didn't know that, brother. Right now, man, I say, if you don't get the half, somebody blood, half is spill. And you know, king man, that try raise you with him from elder to elder. And you know work that kind of way there.
Brother, after we bless a priest, so we get the stood up and running like this. We are telling me, say, look, peace can rain.
But it seems like I want to look at tape. But just keep on rewind and rewind. That's why I'm telling you, I left my piece, because it can rain at any time.
Brother, you don't have to know when I do that. Because all heap at stake. You can't make this one little thing here segregate back the ground again.
Yo, so hear me, I say. You link Carlton already. Because right now, you know, you come like you must go fat up our food for top ranking can get field share.
Brother, I don't know how to do this, you know. Because this is something my boss don't want to hear right now. You don't know where I give you already. That of an hour, significant, a soldier them. Plus, you still have to give it, man, a piece of cut out time. So, that's kind of difficult, you know. But I have to make the talk just for peace reign.
So, brother, years me I hear about top ranking, you know. Never see them man there yet, you know. How them man they stay?
Alright, just. Brother there. I always stuck in, you know. You see me? The man they work with the shadow. The old school bad boy, man. That's why my house hard. You see me?
Brother, I tell you this. See, by right, no man no for go up on a man ground, brother. Don't link in with the general. You see me? You know a big violation there. So, I see where I come from. Plus, the man is like a giant up close, brother. You see me? And the man a premeditate. Because you know, I'm nephew. So, if you don't want a war thing, go to the next level, have to contact the boss. He say here food have a shorten. He say such man food have a shorten. Combine it and give him the first payment.
Yo, me hear what you're saying, Godfather. But right now, you can't dead for hungry over you're saying. You see me, I say, I feel like him to get the next talk, you know. One serious talk, though.
On base pan, what go on, you know, the man they come like they not talk too long. The man they come like mastermind, chess player.
Brother, the man end the meeting at the most grievous way. And I must say, yo, if him not get the half by mountain, you know the whole place has stirred. Brother, we have too much at stake, bad man. You see me? So we have to think this over. If it's the next war, you know, I don't want the community to feel built.